Hello and namaste. Welcome back to Fabulous Body. I'm Akash, your holistic nutrition coach. Today I'm going to talk about what Gerd is, its symptoms, root causes, and most importantly, how you can naturally manage it with dietary and lifestyle changes. Plus, I'll be sharing a Gerd-friendly diet plan to help you feel better fast. Please watch the video till the end. Let's start with what Gerd actually is. Gerd's full form is gastroesophageal reflux disease, which happens when the acid from your stomach flows back into your esophagus, which is your food pipe, and is a tube that connects your throat to your stomach. This backward flow or reflux happens when the valve or the sphincter between the stomach and the esophagus, it's called the lower esophageal sphincter, less. It does not close properly. And when this acid escapes, it irritates the lining of your esophagus, causing that burning sensation we all know as heartburn. It has nothing to do with heart attack or any problems in the heart. It is the burning sensation in your food pipe. Okay. Other symptoms include regurgitation, which is sour or bitter tasting acid backing up into your throat or mouth. Then there is chest pain, especially after eating or lying down. Then you have difficulty swallowing. You may feel like that the food is stuck in your throat. Then there is chronic cough or sore throat, especially in the morning from the irritation caused by the acid. So what's causing all of this? While it may feel like too much of acid is the problem, Gerd is actually more about where the acid is going, not how much you have it. Okay, so here are some of the common root causes of Gerd. First is weakness. The lower esophageal sphincter should close tightly after the food enters the stomach. But if it's weak or opens at the wrong times, acid can escape. Then you have dietary triggers. Certain foods and drinks like spicy foods or high-fat foods, caffeine, alcohol, and carbonated drinks like soft drinks and energy drinks can trigger acid reflux. Then obese people have this issue because the excess weight puts pressure on your abdomen, pushing the contents of the stomach into the esophagus. Then a lot of people eat late or large meals. Okay, both can overwhelm your digestive system, leading to acid reflux. Then there is hiatal hernia. This means when part of the stomach pushes up through the diaphragm, it can disrupt the les's function. Now that we have understood the symptoms and causes, let's dive into how you can find relief naturally. Medications can help with Gerd, but for long-term management, lifestyle and dietary changes can make a huge difference. First is, of course, dietary modifications. What you eat can either help or hurt your Gerd. So here are some key tips. First is avoid trigger foods. Stay away from fatty, spicy or acidic foods. Avoid caffeine. Minimize it completely. If you feel the urge of having caffeine, have mushroom coffee, which has very less caffeine in it. Switch your coffee with tea or green tea, which has very minimal caffeine. Chocolate. You should stay away from chocolate, alcohol and mint. Eat smaller meals, because large meals can increase stomach pressure. So instead, have smaller, more frequent meals. Eat slowly, chew your food properly. This helps reduce the burden on your stomach and aids digestion. Don't eat before bed. This is a big one. Keep a gap of 4 to 5 hours between your last meal and your bedtime. This will prevent nighttime acid reflux. Incorporate alkaline foods. Foods like leafy greens, bananas, melons, oatmeal, and other alkaline foods can help neutralize stomach acid. Right, so now we have the lifestyle changes. In addition to what you eat, how you live can also affect Gerd. So here are simple lifestyle changes that can help reduce symptoms. First is maintain a healthy weight. Reduce your visceral fat, reduce your overall body fat, because excessive weight puts pressure on your abdomen, increasing the likelihood of reflux. Quit smoking if you smoke, because smoking weakens the less, okay, leading to more frequent reflux episodes. elevate your head while sleeping, because when you raise your head by 6 to 8 inches, it can keep the stomach acid down in the stomach. Then wear loose fitting clothes. Tight clothes around the waist can put pressure on your stomach and can cause acid to rise up. Manage stress. Stress can worsen GERD by increasing stomach acid production. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing, yoga, and meditation. So guys, here's a sample diet for GERD. It will appear somewhere on the screen. You can click a screenshot. This will help reduce GERD symptoms and promote healing. The idea here is to avoid trigger foods while including nourishing and soothing options. By the way, me and my team have created 21 gut healthy, gut friendly recipe book. Every meal has been created by carefully selecting whole functional gut healthy foods. Plus, we have ensured that the meals are tasty and does not take too long to cook. The ingredients are simple and can be found in your local grocery store. Nothing exotic or expensive, I promise you that. If you need the ebook, check out the description below on how to get it for free. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay fabulous.